Hello everyone, this is 6.3, lab 6.3, and for this lab we were being told to use Ghostfisher. So for Ghostfisher, my goal was to use a session hijacking to get online web sessions by sniffing and capturing packets from remote hosts, which you could use for internal man-in-the-middle attack within your internal network. So the first thing I did was set up my fake access point using the web interface of WLAN 0. SSID is fake IP address would be 10.0.22. In the cryptography, I did none because it wouldn't allow me with WPA or WEP. So as you can see here, it created the interface and it did created an access point with the SSID, and it started. So then I went to the fake DNS server. I resolved all queries to the following address, 10.0.2.2. And you can see this started the DNS service at the time I started it. For the fake DHCP server, I did the start and the end of where I wanted for my internal IP address, since I put 2.50 or 0.50 because my virtual machine's IP addresses don't go that high. And then the fake DNS server was 10.0.22. Gateway and alternate DNS was the same thing. As you can see here, it started the fake DHCP server, and it also shows the VM that was showing up on the IP address that was currently running. So the problem I started having was trying to clone Facebook.com, which I don't know why it was happening. I looked online and other people were having trouble cloning Facebook.com too for some reason. I don't know if Facebook configured their security for Ghostfisher to not clone the website, or it was just something wrong with Ghostfisher. I was able to clone gmail.com, which I do not know why I could gmail.com but not Facebook.com. Everything is correct here in the URLs. So I do not know why that's happening. And then what I would do if it did proceed to do a cloning of the of Facebook.com, and also right here I did do the default port and it did not work either. So I just tried HTTPS and that did not work either. Just to let you know. But then what I would proceed to do is put in the gateway IP address or router IP address, which is 10.0.22, which I'm on a network in a VirtualBox. In a VirtualBox, so this would stand as the router for exchanging packets from the network into my desktop where the virtual machine sits on. So what I would proceed to do next is I would start this, and it will start the internal man-in-the-middle engine activated attack. And again, this would collect all session cookie packets between all remote hosts and the internal network to start a man-in-the-middle attack internally. So what I would do is, this is my server 10.0.2.9, and I would put in my credentials. So you can see that it is secure, and for some reason it did not work. So, but if I did put in my credentials, it would show back up here in this box with all the information that came through from my target machine, and come back to the target machine, which is this. So all the packets will come through. So if Ghostfisher did work the way it was supposed to, this is how you would do lab 6.3. And while I was looking up these problems I was having in community boards and all different sites of other boards throughout the internet, people were saying that they were not yet alone having a problem with Facebook, but having a problem altogether with Ghostfisher. So I don't know if it needs an update or if there's something wrong with it. But this is how you would proceed to do lab 0.63. Thanks and have a good day.